As a sound engineer, how do you make your pastor's voice sound bright in church? There are many things that can contribute to the quality of the output that you hear from your church speakers, the speaker itself being one of them and the microphone from the source. But today I'm not talking about either of these. I want to talk about the mixing board. You can have a great microphone and wonderful speakers. If you do not set things right on the mixer, you won't get the desired result. First things first, ensure you get a good signal from the source using the gain knob, but ensure it's not clipping. Most mixers will give you a signal on the gain section when it's clipping. On this mixer, it's a red light.
Sound check. Sound check. Sound check. Sound check. Mic 1. Sound check. Sound check. Sound check. Sound check. Mic 1.
Once this is settled, you can move on to the EQ section on the mixer. Before you can tweak any setting on your EQ, you need to understand how sound frequencies work. Every sound you hear falls within a range of frequency. These frequencies range from low to high and it is measured in hertz. Each of the knobs in your EQ section are volume controls for specific frequencies or range of frequencies depending on the product, but they are generally classified on board as highs, high mid, low mid, and lows. So how does this translate to making your pastor sound bright? Well, the trick is you have to get rid of the frequencies that affect the clarity of your pastor's voice and boost the frequency that makes it sound clear. On an analog mixer like this, you have just 3 chances to do this. Usually, you want to start by getting rid of the muddiness in the voice, that part of the voice that makes it sound rough, rumbling, or muddy. Usually, muddiness, boominess, rumbling comes from the low frequencies, so you make use of the knob that controls the low to turn it down until you're satisfied.
Sound check. Mic 1. Sound check. Mic 1. Sound check. Mic 1. Sound check. Sound check.
While turning down the low end, try and listen not to make the voice thin, as there are quality information in the low end that will add to the clarity and quality you're looking for, especially if it's a male voice or low end instrument like the bass drum or bass guitar. Next, you get rid of every unpleasant sound you hear in the vocal. This is only possible if you have the opportunity to choose a frequency for the mid region. Start by increasing the gain of the mid up enough for you to hear its effect, and then slightly sweep through the range of frequencies to look for any unpleasant frequency that is affecting the clarity of the voice. This part is a very tricky part, but what you really need is to make use of your ears very well. Listen carefully to every sound that is coming out of your voice. Take note of any part of the sound that you don't like and try searching for it as you sweep through the mid-range. Once you find that spot, turn down the gain for that frequency. If you do not have the option to choose the frequency for the mid section, just adjust the mid knob and hear the effects accordingly. If increasing it makes it sound better, increase it. And if decreasing it makes it sound better, then decrease it.
Sound check. Mic 1. 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 Sound check. Mic. Sound check. Sound check. Sound check. Mic 1. Sound check. Mic 1. Sound check. Mic 1. Sound check. Mic 1. Sound check. Sound check.
By now, you should have a clearer vocal coming through the speakers. To spice things up, you can boost the high frequency by increasing the knob for the highs. Just a little bit. Excessive increase will result in a piercing vocal, which is unpleasant to the ears, and it might also result in feedbacks from nearby speakers.
Sound check. Sound check. Mic 1. Sound check. Mic 1. Sound check. Mic 1. Sound check. Sound check.
So that's it, guys. If you follow these tips, I'm certain the glory of the latter shall be greater than the former. Your pastor's voice is going to come out bright. Thank you for sticking to the end of this video. If this video has helped you in any way, then give us a thumbs up by clicking the like button so others can have access to this value as well. You can also subscribe to the channel to get updates whenever we post a new video. Until next time, remain in the Lord's service. God bless you.